And we're live for live stream 186. At the charts a bit later because of our job. And we can see there's been quite a bit of volatility. Let's start at the top here. Let's have a look at gold. Gold has been on a sustained path to the upside. As we can see here on the daily chart, seems like gold has bottomed out for the most recent part. You can see sustained move to the upside, but just like we've been seeing for the past couple of days, moves up have been a bit choppy. Seeing gaps here, which probably suggests the market is a bit light in terms of volume. Let's think about this. Let's see. There was a long up to 54.5. We get as high as 54.3, so let's take that long if we get a chance here. It's right. Oh my gosh. 54.5. A bit late to the market here. I'm going to put an alert out there at 54.5. If it does get there, then this trade idea is pretty much done for. Oh, goodness me. We'll see. 54.1. Well, just look across other instruments. NQ, we had a sell-off similar to yesterday, pulled back, higher low, sustaining higher prices here through the VWAP, up through the 200 at the moment. Interesting. Very interesting. Yes, a similar scenario. Can't really take any of these at the moment. I simply can't. Just can't take any. Let's see. If I was at the charts, it would only have been, there would have been a short, that would have been a loser. There's a short over. Yeah, it would have been a losing short right there. A couple of shorts that would have been winners just off the open. Loser. Can't take any of these. Let's see. Loser. Winner. So it would be about break even-ish on the day or slightly down. Gold. Oh my word. Gold, 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 gold. Let's have a look. Have we got to 54.5? Got to 54.3. My entry is down at 53.2. It looks like it's going to do it right now. Got up to 54.3 there. Goodness me. It's probably going to get there. Just going to have to accept this. 54.3. It's just 2 ticks away. Gotta stay disciplined here. Even if it's 1 tick away. Same way I wouldn't take it if it was 1 tick away. So what's that? 3. It's 1.3, isn't it? It's 1.3. So it should be about 1. So 52.2. 52.2. That's where the stop should be. Let's see if we get triggered here, back in. Where did price get to? Oh, come on. Come on. Got down to 53.3, 1 tick away. 1 tick away. Come on, don't come one tick away and get to target. Come on, let's not do this. Golly. Golly. So again, looking for 54.5. Ah, got it. Golly. Fruit Loops. Gotta cancel that. Just gotta cancel that. Golly, came within one tick. Let's think this through. What? Okay, we're gonna have to look somewhere else for opportunities. Disappointing. Certainly disappointing. Just gonna have to accept that. One tick away. Just one tick. Anyway, let's not dwell on that. Let's not dwell on that. Again, it's going to have to be another shorter day for me because I've got so much on. I'd love to sit here and trade, but fortunately, it's not something I can do at the moment. Such small margins, one tick. Golly. I'm wondering. So we've got ES. So look at NQ. What's NQ doing? Problem with NQ and ES at the moment. Are we seeing a pattern that we saw yesterday? We're going to have this market completely reverse. So if we have a look at the daily chart here, yesterday saw price come all the way down into that 50 period, traded through it, got bought back up to open, drove higher and closed pretty high there. Now today kind of made highs. We had a pretty significant sell-off there all the way down. We've been bought up. We did have a pretty big sell-off there. Someone with deep pockets likes this market above that 20,500. Can't seem to close below there, so I'm sure if I would want to take a short continuation here. Goodness me, gold is continuing its move to the upside. Unbelievable. Wow. Probably should look at a daily chart and gold, see what it's doing. Yeah, it's definitely sustaining the momentum. Just going to have a look at the... let's just have a look at the economic calendar. No scheduled high impact news. Not even sure if I'd want to buy gold here. It's buying at the day's high. It's currently up $23.8. Do you really want to buy it here? That's the question. It would be a very aggressive buy. And I'm going to take it. $56.6. 56.6. Okay. So it's about 1.1. So that's going to be about 9. Oh my word, it's almost got to target. 56.4. Come on. Got to 56.5, 1 tick away. 1.1. Come on, go get the target. So this should be about 0.8. 56.4, 5. Come on, get the 6. Come on. Come on. Go get the 6. There we go. Fantastic. So, got the target there. Could have been 2 winners, but not going to complain. Was aggressive buy there, buying at the higher day. Certainly the higher day. Had a pretty tight risk there. Usual risk. Less than our take profit. So we're on the board. We are on the board. Let's look across to NQ. Let's see what NQ is doing. Okay, NQ is pulling back. Q is pulling back off that 200 there, all the way down to that VWAP. We're clearly we're using electronic trading hours, as we can see here. So we've got extended trading hours, also known as ETH. Seeing that pullback off that 200. This is a daily chart. Daily chart still in negative territory. Still got a ways to go to get to flat on the day, up at 763. About 100 or so points from where we are at present. So about in around here, we'll be about flat on the day based on the previous day's close. Oh. Previous day's close, nowhere today open. Today's open. And let's have a look at ES. Let's see what ES is doing. ES is doing something similar. So if we go look at ES, again, that's pulling back. We didn't quite get to the 200 there. We are seeing a pullback through that VWAP. Try to hold, failed, close below. Let's see what this retest does. Let's see if this retest fails. We've got these previous highs here for the pullback. You know, previous resistance could possibly be support. So it's not something I trade, but we'll just keep an eye on it here. Certainly keep an eye on it. Back over on NQ. Pretty solid close below. Retested that VWAP, which is this blue line. Seem to be rejecting it. Move down to 44.50. No, it's not a strategy. So leave it alone. Just going to leave that alone. Stay patient here. Wait for the setups. Wait for the market to come to me. There's no need to rush this thing. Wow, seeing that sustained breakout here on gold. Very nice. Let's look at the daily chart. Good, nice, strong performance here. I suppose I should adjust my expectations due to the fact that I've come to the market a bit later today. Maybe I should have a downward adjustment in terms of my expectation. So I walked away yesterday with about 17. And that was after a pretty full trading session. Had some difficulties. So coming to the market a bit later, picking up about half of that, we're looking at about 8.5, which is only about 3.5 above where we are at present. And while it's not a huge amount, it certainly would be a base hit towards our goals. Certainly would be. I've got to stay patient here, not snatch at anything. Of course, could stay patient and the trade does not work. And that's just something I'll have to accept. Market's just not interested right now. Seeing the sustained move, but a choppy move on the way back. So bears aren't having it all their own way. There's definitely some bull activity here. Which in a way kind of undermines the complete reversal case. But you just never know. Wow, look at this. Amazing. Am I feeling FOMO? No. I had a plan. I followed the plan. What happens after that isn't anything to do with me. Would have been nice to have got into, where was it? The trade down here that pulled back a couple of times. But sometimes these things happen. It's nice to see the gold here follow through to the upside. We'll see whether we can close below it. We'll close above this 50 period on gold on the daily chart. So bottom right hand side of the screen, we've got our daily chart. And we've got this 50 period here. This red line. So we'll see if we can hold above that 650.5. Currently trading at 58.7. As well as we do expect volatility to fall off 2 hours before the equities close. So you're looking at about 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. About hour and 45 minutes from now. So we'll see. We'll see whether we pull back or whether we continue to sustain move to the upside. Suppose where we are now, don't imagine we're going to retrace this entire bearish candle and get all the way to the 692. Don't believe there's enough volatility for that today. You never know, this market may just come and surprise me. It wouldn't be something I'd bet on. Oh goodness me. Seems I'm about to get a short signal on NQ. It puts me in a bit of a dilemma. Is it going to be the same on ES? Yes. Golly. I've got a minute to go to make a decision here. We've used discretion and not take the short setup, or whether I follow the rules and take the short. I've got a minute to make a decision. I've got a minute to make a decision here. "23 seconds. What will I do? 14 seconds. What will I do? You know what? I'll take it. Short. Short. Let's talk about this. $83.75. What is that? Is that 583.75? 583.75. 583.75. Oh wow. That's a big stop. What is that? 45. Oh wow. So that's 36. Let's go over to ES. 97.75. 97.75. Snipe. Oh my word, these stops are huge. Wow. 7.25. 7.25. Okay. You can see the P&L. Now the question is, do I just simply get out or do I let these trades work? Of course I could get out. You know what? No, if we start doing that, then we won't be following our rules. We won't be following our rules if we just get out. Well, we took the trade, so we took the trade. We decided to take the risk. We're just going to have to accept it. So if it comes back and stops us out, then it's going to have to be that. Not sure. You know what? Yeah, we took the trade, so I'm just going to have to accept it. Accept the outcome. As painful as it might be. I'm going to keep it here on NQ because NQ represents the most risk at 36 points. $97.75. NQ. We're looking at 83.25, was it? 83.75. 83. Come on. Just trying to put in the alerts here. 83, 75. You can see we're up to 31, but have to follow the plan. Size of the size of the target has me questioning whether it's the right target, and it is. Of course, could close here, but no. Gotta follow the plan. Gotta stay away. I gotta let my instincts not get the better of me. I've got to follow the plan here. Got down to 98, 96, so that's what, 13 points away. Okay, 93. Oh, target filled over there somewhere. 87. We got down to 87 there. 87.25, so we're about 4 points away. Okay, let's see. Target got hit over here on NQ, on ES, picked up 23.750. Over on NQ, we got down to 87, so we're 4 points away. Now we're trying to be disciplined here. It's certainly tempting to take this off. It's certainly tempting. Currently realized 28, currently risking 36. Trying to, do we adjust our stop to break even? It's not part of the system. Certainly on the first push would have liked to have seen it take out our target. Got down to 87.25, target's down at 83, 83.75, so about 84, so about 3 points lower. Let's see, can we take out those lows? 87.25, just hit 87, holding 87. Okay, fantastic. So target got taken out there, and we are up 73.116, and I think that's enough for today. We did say we're going to have a shorter trading day. That was the goal. As we can see, all trades hit target. The gold trade, we picked up 5244. On NQ, we picked up 44,731. So it would have been 45 after commissions. So we got 45,250 after commissions. We got 44,731. And over on ES, we picked up 23,750 before commissions. After commissions, 23,141. And with that said, that's going to wrap up this video here. I'm finished trading for the day. A lot better day than I thought. Sometimes, due to scheduling, I happen to wouldn't be able to take some of the trades, and definitely would have lost through a couple of trades. So not being here sometimes works itself out for the better. On this occasion, definitely. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.